What's the meaning of colloquially? Colloquially. Colloquially.
Colloquially. Colloquially. Colloquially is an adverb that describes language or speech used in informal or everyday conversations. When someone speaks colloquially, they use words and phrases that are commonly understood by others in their community or culture, but may not be considered proper or formal in professional settings. Colloquial language can vary widely depending on the region or social group in which it is used, but it often includes slang, idioms, and regional expressions. In short, colloquially refers to language used in casual settings that is not formal or professional.